Uh, good morning, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal. This video is in English language, and through this video, I'll be telling you the names of construction workers which are highly in demand in all the Western countries. In these Western countries, they draw very good wages, proper respect, and the qualification is very low level. For example, if you are 10 plus 2 pass, even in third division, nobody bothers. If you do 1 year or 2 year duration course in any ITI or do a 3 year diploma in any polytechnic, you can easily migrate from Asian countries to Western countries. You need IELTS general module, only 5 bands in these. And you need previously there used to be 2 years work experience requirement. Now it is only 1 year requirement. So I'll be telling you the 20 categories which are related to the construction trades in Canada. There are many more categories that you can always ask on the phone free of cost at Patiala during daytime. So first category is carpenter. Carpenter trade is generally this course is done in industrial training institutes in various cities of India, and its duration is only 1 year. Number two is bricklayer. Oftenly in India we call them mason because they do the brick work or do the plastering. They should know the leveling, and they need only 5 bands in general module of English. Cabinet maker, as you all are know, these all the Western countries, they got a lot of forest and they got very nice wood available with them, and almost most of the accessories are manufactured out of wood. In a house, all the kitchen cabinets as well as wardrobe in the your bedrooms, they all are manufactured out of the wood. This is manufacturing is done in an industrial unit through the machines. When the building it comes to finishing stage, then they are brought to site and they are fixed with the help of screws. Then concrete finisher. This is category number 4. This is just part of the mason work. You see, in Canada, once a building is complete, to decorate it from the outside, they do various types of surface work. They do the driveway, where you park your cars, and to make the floor uniform, and do the plastering work on outside of the buildings. That is done by the masons or concrete finisher. And I will tell you especially one thing. To transport the concrete from ground floor to 40-story or 50-story building, they got lot of vacuum pumps. It is done with the help of machinery, so you need not to worry. It is very easy work. Only you should know the laser leveler and your basic tools, how to use them, and English communication skills. Then it is number 5, construction craft worker. You see, once a building is complete, to decorate from the outside, they need the craft workers, and they do a lot of things outside work. Number 6, construction electricians. Of course, Canada has got 11 or 12 types of electricians, but only those who are related to the construction of housing work, they are called construction electricians. And this course is of 2 years in any ITI. Even people who have done 3-year diploma in electrical engineering, they are also part of this. Then number 7, drywall finisher and plasterers. You see, in all the cold countries, houses are made of wood. Then there's a glass insulation between outer surface and inner surface, On the inner side, they use a drywall. Drywall is a half-inch wide or thick. It is a sheet which does not allow inner heating to go out and cold weather to affect the interior of the house. Number 8, floor covering installer. As I have already explained to you, a number of countries which are lying in the cold region, the flooring becomes quite cold during winters. To just to provide a isolation between cold and the inner hot of the room, they do the floor covering with the wooden flooring. Number 9, iron worker reinforcing. You see, iron workers are two types. One are those who prepare that metal reinforcing bars in the ceiling. The second category is those who are involved in structural and ornamental items. Number 11, metal fabricator. Their job is like welder, and they fabricate the hand railing or the guarding or the various other garden items. Then number 12, painter and decorator. This job is often done by girls, especially Mexican girls do this job a lot. Reason being, the painter gets a nice wages. Plus, in Western countries, we use only water-based paints. They do not emit any smell or anything like that. And this job, you need not to stand on a ladder. There are rollers available. You can stand on the floor and dip the roller into a plastic tray with the paint and just make it upside from the floor itself. You can do every type of work. Number 13 is plumber. Plumber is again ITI trade or the civil engineering into the diploma holders. Number 14, refrigeration and air conditioning. You see, Canada is a very big country. Few provinces lie in the cold region, few in the hot region, and few are lying in between the both category. So wherever it is more cold, you will be working as air heating technician. If you are in the hot airs region, you will be working as a refrigeration technician. Then 15 is a roofer. 16 is a sheet metal worker. What sheet metal workers are doing, in every home in Canada, there is one hot air furnace to transfer the heated air to various rooms and take the air back. They are called the sheet metal workers. Then number 17, sprinkler fitters. In the high-rise building or on the public places, whenever there is a fire, there is an automatic system installed so that whenever that heat is detected, then water fountains will start in the inside of the house to make that area cold, so to stop the fire. Next is tile setter. Tile setters work in the washrooms or kitchen counters in Canada so that water coming out of the should not damage the walls. 19 is welder. Welder is mostly working on fabricating the hand railing and guarding. Number 20, door and window installers. Generally, this job is done in the industrial unit, but when the house work is completed, at the finishing stages, they come over and they install the doors and windows then and there. So these are the various categories. In addition to these, there are more categories, but then the video will go quite long. So please, if you have any further inquiry, the admission to ITIs is done in the month of June and July every year, and mostly these courses are 1 year or the 2 year. And if you go to a polytechnic, it is a 3-year course and they are valid. In few of the courses, you may have, whenever you reach Canada, then you may have to go for a Red Seal exam. You can just cross check it with from Patiala office. Their daytime phone number is 98151 01148. Please stay connected with us. Thank you very much.